Hi, I'm Dave. These are books. The complete title of this book is Hawaii. The author is James A. Michener, and it was published in 1959, although some copyrights are listed as 1956. I'm told the author spent 4 years in preparation, followed by 3 years in writing Hawaii. It is also my understanding that Mr. Michener lived in Honolulu for 10 years while he worked on this book. From 1949, a very good year, through 1959, the year Hawaii was admitted to the Union and the year of the book's publication. I have previously read this book a number of times, once or twice in the paperback, at least once in hardcover, and the maps in my hardcover version, here are the front maps and the back maps. While not spectacular, they're good to have around as you're reading the book. But this time, I opted to listen to the audiobook Books on Tape version, 42 CDs, that's a lot of CDs, of 72 minutes each, with a new track every 3 minutes for easy reference. This unabridged audiobook version is copyrighted 1991 and is read by Larry McKeever. Hawaii is dedicated to, quote, all the peoples who came to Hawaii, unquote. So I guess that includes me. Both the book and the audiobook open with the words, quote, this is a novel. It is true to the spirit and history of Hawaii, but the characters, the families, the institutions, and most of the events are imaginary. I would wholeheartedly agree with the true to the spirit and history part. Listening to this big novel, once again, 42 CDs, or 937 pages, or 1,130 pages in the paperback version, is a different experience than reading it. Possibly the listening emphasizes more the differing lengths of time devoted to the various sections of Hawaii. In order, a lot of time and effort was devoted to the geology of the oceans and of the volcanic action which created the islands of Hawaii. I enjoyed that. A lot of time and effort was devoted to the people from Bora Bora, near Tahiti, who emigrated to Hawaii, and to those emigrations, and I enjoyed that. A lot of time and effort was devoted to the Protestant New England missionaries who came to the islands. I enjoyed that. A lot of time and effort was devoted to the people from China who came to Hawaii. I enjoyed that. A lot of time and effort was devoted to the people from Japan, particularly from Hiroshima, who came to Hawaii. I enjoyed that. I had not realized that Japanese labor was not imported prior to the 20th century. In fact, I now see that previously I had not really paid that much attention at all to the timelines of when various peoples arrived in Hawaii. The Japanese discussion flowed right into the Japanese naval attack on Pearl Harbor and the World War II years. And then, of course, all of the various plot lines are brought together in the years following World War II up to the point of statehood, 1959, the year of publication of Hawaii. Here are a number of things which I apparently paid more attention to in the listening to Hawaii than in the reading of Hawaii. Details of the Polynesian navigation, details of the leprosy situation in general and on Molokai, details of the plague situation on Oahu, how much of a cultural backwater Hawaii was perceived by some to be prior to statehood, and the political changes between World War II and statehood. Larry McKeever did a masterful job with the various languages and place names, with one notable exception. In the course of the novel, author James Michener accurately inserts pidgin usage from time to time, but Mr. McKeever repeatedly and consistently mispronounced the pidgin term dakine, saying instead dakine. For real? Bummas. Dakine is the keystone phrase of pidgin, so it's hard to overlook this error. I don't know how it slipped through, but you would think someone would have caught it before I did. Other than the kind, however, I think the audiobook version of James A. Michener's Hawaii was great, as was the written version. Carol says she particularly enjoyed listening to the audio version of Hawaii while we drove cross-country. And I recommend Hawaii very highly to anyone and to everyone. Once again, the title is Hawaii. The author is James A. Michener. Was published in '59, although some copyrights, like this one, say 1956. And I'm told the author spent some 4 years in preparation, followed by 3 years in writing. This is an unabridged audiobook, 42 CDs. I enjoyed it. I recommend it. I'm Dave. These are books.